Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's time to show you one of the newest ways to make bulk video shorts. A lot of people have talked about this video short. However, one of the most critical aspects of these types of shorts is how to diversify them. Usually, the construction method for bulk video shorts is the same, and everyone uses Canva to make these types of video shorts. However, bulk videos can create repetitive and boring content because they are so simple. I will unveil a niche for you today that will make this boring go away. Join me as I show you how to prepare 120 bulk video shorts in about 60 minutes without your videos being boring. Let's dive together into making fascinating bulk videos. Before I start, I must say that my videos are made with artificial intelligence, and there may be some mistakes in my speech. I hope you can understand my speech mistakes with your intelligence. In the first part of this video, I need to introduce you to the niche. But don't forget that building this niche is unique and you can adequately prepare 120 bulk videos by watching this video. So stay tuned and don't miss a single moment of watching. Of course, you can download the video and watch it again to run the steps quickly. This is the bulk niche of intelligence questions. But this time, we're not using natural intelligence or ready-made questions. One of the most important things about video shorts is keeping the audience and forcing the viewer to watch. Fun is always fun and makes people have fun and have fun. Intelligence questions also become more fun when fun encourages the viewer to join you. We're going to go to ChatGPT to get fun intelligence questions. We need to ask ChatGPT to give us 30 entertainment and fan intelligence questions and provide them in tabulated form. Also, the questions are for choice. But here's the bottom line. You should ask ChatGPT to answer the first 30 questions of option A, the second 30 questions of option B, the third 30 questions of option C, and the fourth 30 questions of option D. As you can see, ChatGPT automatically makes the correct option more colorful. Now, you have 120 tests with 4 entertaining options. This stage ends here. We were able to prepare our questions easily. But the main thing is done in Canva, where this site beautifully prepares our videos in bulk. We're going to the Canva site. This site looks simple and easy, and you can use it without special knowledge. If you've already subscribed to my channel and seen my videos, you're familiar with how to make bulk video shorts. You can watch the video of making bulk video shorts from above. But if you come to my channel for the first time today, I welcome you. You were able to achieve a great treasure. I'm kidding. Let's go. We entered Canva. Here, you can quickly sign in with your email account and log into the site. One of the benefits of this site is that you are a guest of Canva for the first month and can use its premium services for free. This is a perfect score. So get down to business without hesitation and produce many videos quickly to have the video ready for months. After logging into your account on the site, under Search, type quiz and press Enter. You'll be shown a lot of examples where each code has a different design, and you can use each one easily. Just be careful to choose a sample that has 4 options. After you've selected the sample you want, you'll be taken to the new page. On this page, you have 4 models. Each model shows an option as the correct option at the end. Choose one of the models and move to your work page. Now, write the word question box in the question field. Rename each of the options and change to A, B, C, and D. Now, from the column next to the screen, click APPS and select Bulk Create. Click Enter Data manually. On the page that opens, delete all columns and add new ones in order. Name the first column of the question box and the next columns in order A, B, C, D. Call the last column Answer so you remember what the answers are. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy all the tables, and come back again with Canva. Right-click on the first home of the first column and hit Paste. Now all the questions have been fully transferred to the main box. Right-click on any of the fields in the video shorts and select Connect Data. Select the appropriate data to connect to the video from the column that opens. All questions and options are connected to their original location by clicking Continue. Now you have 30 4-choice questions that were prepared with just a few clicks. At this point, you can make any changes you like to each video. Do not forget that the answer to all these 30 questions is option D. Now we're going to step 2. We go back to the home page and select the second model of the test sample from the design section. In this model, the correct answer is option C. Again, we repeat the same steps for this model. We just need to keep in mind that this time, we copy the set of questions from ChatGPT, the answer of which is option C. So you go to do A and B so that we end up with 120 video shorts, each of which is a question with the right answer. I hope you're not tired of this. It's so fascinating that sometimes you might get into the challenge yourself and look for answers. If you've been with me so far, my channel will surely be useful to you. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next videos. By ringing the bell, you can be among the first to discover new niches and enter the world of viral video shorts. Now, you need to make your ready-made videos a little bit more appealing. But before you enter this stage, please stay until the end because, after that, I will teach you the golden point of this video style I have to tell you. Now open the CapCut to show you what to do there. Enter your video into CapCut. As you can see, the duration of the video is only 5 seconds, and this is very little time. So click on the timeline in 2 seconds. At this time, your answer will appear. By default, you can freeze your video by pressing the freeze button for 3 seconds. Increase the time by 5 seconds by dragging the end bar of the frozen section. Now select and download a video with the green screen countdown 5-second search on YouTube. These videos are usually free and are not copyrighted. You can also download these sample videos from free sites. However, YouTube is the most convenient and the best choice. Now add the downloaded selection video to CapCut. Drag it and transfer it to the top of the frozen section. Select Remove BG from the right column. Then activate the chroma key and click the green color with the dropper on the video screen. Increase intensity until the green color fades completely. Now drag the counter into the appropriate place in the image. Your video was prepared just like that. You can also use a ready-made voice for the end of the video and the timing of the answer. Finally, export a 4K video and upload it to your channel. You can upload videos with trend musics using your mobile phone to get more views. Now, we come to the golden point. You have 120 videos using this method, 30 videos with the answer A, 30 videos with the answer B, 30 videos with the answer C, and finally, 30 videos with the answer D. To upload videos, you can upload a video with an answer every day. Or upload 4 videos every day with A, B, C, and D answers. For this niche, you need to be regular and put each video in an uploaded file after uploading, so you know which video you've uploaded and which you haven't released yet. I was able to prepare 120 videos in an hour with this method. Since Canva gives you a free 1-month premium plan, you can easily have your videos ready for the coming months, so you don't need to buy a premium plan. I hope this niche can make you successful on YouTube. Please write your ideas to me in the comments section. I would be happy to share your experiences of making videos with me. Don't forget that your likes give me energy. So, like the video and subscribe to the channel to avoid missing new niches. Until next time, happy creating!